So for exercise number 2, we've got a time signature of 4-4 again. So we've got a 4 at the top, which tells us there's 4 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. So count to 4 for each bar. And the bottom number being 4 tells us each one of those beats that we're counting is a quarter note, right? So we've got 4 quarter note beats in the bar. And our tempo range again is 80 beats per minute to 100 beats per minute. So you can play this exercise anywhere between those tempos, okay? So obviously make sure we're staying at the same tempo, but you can pick any tempo between 80 and 100 beats per minute, okay? That's the tempo range this has to be played at. So if we look at the first bar, we've got a hand rhythm of 8th notes for the first 3 beats and then a quarter note on the 4th beat. So the rhythm of the hands is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You've got right hand on ride cymbal, left hand on snare drum, okay, and you're playing right, right, left, left, right, right, left. So double strokes and just finishing on that single stroke on the left hand. So you've got. Okay, and whilst playing that, you're going to be playing those quarter notes with the feet. So alternate quarter notes. Right foot on the bass drum 1, left foot on the hi-hat pedal for 2, right foot on the bass drum for 3, left hand on the hi-hat pedal for 4. So you're alternating between right and left foot. Make sure that foot pattern's really holding those quarter notes, keeping everything in time. And if we look at the dynamic of the first bar, we've got MF, which is mezzo forte, half loud, which is about your normal playing level. Okay, so let's try bar 1 now, getting all of that down 4 times through. And in bar 2, we've got 8th notes with our hands, so the rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and our rudiment we're going to be playing is paradiddles. So again, we've got split paradiddles or broken paradiddles. So we've got right paradiddle between the mid-tom and high tom. So you've got right hand on mid-tom, left hand on high tom. So we've got, that's the first half of the bar, 1 and 2 and then the second paradiddle, the left paradiddle, is between the snare and the floor tom. So the bottom part of the kit. So we got. Okay, so again, left stays on snare, right on floor tom. So we're up here for the first paradiddle, right paradiddle, and we come down to the left paradiddle on this part of the kit. So putting those together. Okay, so broken paradiddles, part up here, part down here. And again, we've got to keep those quarter notes with the feet. Okay, so for this bar, we're at mezzo forte as well. So let's try bar 2 now 4 times through. And then in bar 3, the rhythm is a quarter note on 1, so we've got 1, and then we've got 8th notes for 2, 3 and 4. So we've got 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're playing the quarter note on 1 on the ride cymbal, and then we're going round the toms as 8th notes in single strokes. So we've got right left on small tom, right left on medium tom, right left on floor tom. So we've got 2 and 3 and 4 and on the tom. So we've got ride, tom, tom, mid, mid, floor, floor. Make sure you're holding that quarter note on the ride cymbal on the 1. So we're going to be playing that in single strokes. We're going to be playing the quarter notes with our feet again. And the dynamic for this bar, we're going to start at piano, which is soft, and we've got a crescendo. So we see the start of the next bar, we've got forte. So this crescendo has got to be taking us to forte. Okay, so we start soft, gradually get louder through the bar to forte. Okay, so in that last bar, we've got crash cymbal playing the bass drum at forte. Okay, so let's try bar 3 now, those single strokes, making sure we hold that quarter note on the ride cymbal for the 1 with the crescendo. Okay, we'll try it 4 times through. I mean, like we said, we've got that crash on the 1 to finish the bar with the bass drum at forte. Okay, obviously we're resting for 2, 3 and 4 in the last bar, so we're just finishing on that 1 at the end of the crescendo. So let's try and put the whole thing together now. Okay, so we've got different rudiments in the bars, we've got different rhythms, so we've got combinations of quarter notes and 8th notes, and obviously we've got different dynamics. We're starting the first 2 bars, mezzo forte, and when we come into bar 3, we go to soft piano, and we've got a crescendo through that bar, finishing forte on the crash. So let's try putting the whole thing together.